Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got the healing that I want, just like they say in the song.
Congratulations, Mark! God bless and good luck! Hindi ako ready!
We
Congrats!
got this king size to ourselves.
Ano si Kumbay?
Don't have to share with no one else. Don't keep your secrets to yourself. It's Kama Sutra show and tell. There's loving in your eyes that pulls me closer. It's so subtle, I'm in trouble, but I love to be in trouble with you. Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got the healing that I want, just like they say in the song. Until the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got to give it up to me.
Best wishes, Kuya Bom, Ate Berg. Lifetime to go!
Congrats, brother, Bebong. Matagal mo rin tong hinintay. Proud ako sa'yo.
And when you leave me all alone, I'm like a stray without a home.
Congratulations, Berg and Bibong, Bogs. Best wishes.
God bless sa panibagong yugto ng buhay.
Iba na yung buhay na may asawa at may pamilya.
Congrats ulit and God bless.
Tawanan. Tingin nila kay Bright.
It's so subtle, I'm in trouble, but I'd rather be in trouble with you. It's Marvin Gaye and get it on. Ooh, baby, I got that healing that you want, yeah.
Like they say in the songs, on to the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on.
Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got that healing that I want, just like this.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, lalo higit kay Mark Andison at Brigida Antonella. Anong tawag ko sa inyo para maikli muna? Berg, saka
I'm screaming mercy.
espesyal po ang araw na ito. Siyempre, araw ito ng inyong pag-iisang dibdib.
Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on, just like they say in the
Ngunit tandaan, ang kalayaan sa pag-aasawa ay hindi ang kalayaang gawin ang anumang naisin. Ang tunay na kalayaan ay ang kalayaang piliin ang isa't isa araw-araw.
Dito. Okay. Okay, congrats Bogsberg. Sana maging matagumpay ang wedding at saka tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating Bible study. Yun lamang.
to the light in you, see all the stars. They're not so far now.
Brigida Antonella, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mark Andison na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Pat.
Mark Andison, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Brigida Antonella na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Padre.
Just keep waiting in the dark.
Sa inyong pagpapasimula ng inyong pong pagbuo ng inyong tahanan, hayaan ninyo na maging tapat kayo sa bawat isa. Sabi nga ng ating kasabihang Pilipino, ang pagsasabi ng tapat daw ay pagsasama ng maluwag. Ang tunay na ligaya ng isang pamilya ay naroon sa kapayapaan ng pagsasamahan. Kapayapaan na nagmumula sa Diyos.
Keeping you warm. Sometimes you feel like giving up. It's not easy being inside your head. We never really have to be apart. Just keep
Mark Andison at Brigida Antonea, gayong kayo ay nagnanais na mag-isang dibdib sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, pagdaupin ninyo ang inyong mga palad at ipahayag ninyo ang mithiing magtipan sa banal na sakramento ng kasal. Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang Kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Padre.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Brigida Anthonea na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan? Opo, Padre.
reason why. I think I might be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now. Ooh, suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around.
Congrats, Bogs and Bird!
Congrats, Bogs and Birds.
Berg?
I'm Bird.
Congrats, Bogs and Berg.
Found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. When you hear me calling,
Ipaalaala ninyo sa isa't isa ang inyong pag-iibigan ay hindi lamang regalo para sa inyong dalawa, kundi isang patutuurin ng pag-ibig ng Diyos at ng pagpapahalaga natin bilang mga Pilipino.
As they step into this room as husband and wife, let us welcome them with the loudest cheers and warmest applause. Presenting for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Birch and Borgs Barcelona!
by now there's a reason why. I think I might be over my troubles. They've been there for so long.